They're like, oh, that's it?
You got up at 4 in the
You
morning.
get 450 pounds of dynamite for that?
Oh, that's awesome.
You might be. What the hell?
Freaking cool!
When are they gonna blow those?
I don't know.
Swear, David.
Oh, there they go.
Ooh!
Is that planned?
Oh my god!
Oh no.
Ooh.
It shook the building, you feel that?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You're scared.
I have to windle my brain.
Bam.
That was definitely the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was definitely top
We
five
should have
coolest
videotaped
thing.
it and then the reaction of everybody in the room. Yeah.
That was
My